All right, welcome back to NC Hammer Crypto. My name's Neil. If you are looking how to trade or scalp trade the market, you've came to the right channel. We're looking at DNT, and if you're looking at daily retracements, say for example a few days ago, it had a 8% increase, immediate rejection. The next day, it had a 17 or 18% increase, immediate rejection. So this coin is very volatile for the amount of percentage gains that you can gain. However, it is very low. It's testing off support on this orange upward trend line. And we do want to see it actually have an increase and hold above 0.03 and then move over the 200 EMA, pushing up to this downward black trend line and breaking out of there, seeing a major increase in price. Could go all the way up to around a quarter from about 6 cents. I was talking about Spell the other day. It is a meme coin. Keep that in mind, but it is starting to build some support. We had an entry right around here on the 0.0005, and it's up about 16%. However, it had a bigger increase, which we did have a scalp. It went up 63% in a day. We sold around a 36% increase, and it does look like a nice entry at this point. This is not financial advice, just keep it in mind. So each bar is going to be tax-free. Definitely something to keep in mind. It's holding support on the 0.18, and we do want to see it push above this blue line being the 200 EMA as well. XCN, what everybody joins the channel for, it had a 2,000% gain. I hope you guys all enjoyed that gain, but it is forming a cup and handle. The momentum is not over. It is holding above the 200 EMA, held above the last close low, and we do want to see this start pushing upwards in this orange half circle being the handle of the cup and handle on this massive cup and handle chart. The next stop would be 10 cents being its all-time high, 18 cents, and then 30 to 50 cents. So for it being a penny right now, it can definitely increase your profits very quickly. XRP, always a fan favorite, also holding support. I believe we're going to see some more movement here around in April, but some consolidation going sideways in XRP and potentially breaking over this black downward trend line like we've been talking about. Looking at BNT, BNT is building support as well. We had an entry right here around 0.038 if you are in my personal one-on-one channels or the trading signal channel. It is up 6%. It did have that pushed to 10%. However, this is going to be more of a swing trade, and being only 41 cents right now roughly, it does have a very high potential to increase in price all the way up to $9 to $10 from 41 cents. It's a lot of potential. Looking at Doge, they say it's going to hit $4. We are sitting at 17 cents. So looking at Doge, it's also building support, doing some consolidation, and forming a cup and handle as well. We were looking at Tornado the other day. Tornado had some major news update and had this major spike, and we are probably going to test back down, and you may look at an entry on that, but Tornado's all-time high is in the hundreds. So if you spend $10, you could potentially have over $460. It's all speculation right now, but it is trying to break out of a downward trend line as well, something similar to this. And then you can see the upward support from the bottom of this point moving upwards. So once it breaks out of this pendant, we could see some major price increasement from $11 all the way up to $400. And the last two we'll look at is LCX and Bitcoin. LCX is building more support. It did not close above this point on March 20th. It had some major rejection. It's also trying to break that downward trend line, but it is holding support off of this. So we may see it even touch this trend line once more, but it is forming cup and handle as well to push upwards past the 20 cent mark. And all of this is basing off of Bitcoin's support, and we do want to see Bitcoin push over the 200 EMA. I hope that has been helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. I always recommend grass for free passive income. You get points that can be transferred to tokens, and you can cash out those tokens for actual money. Mexi has the lowest trading fees of any platform. Definitely do your own research. Or Coinbase. They're actually doing free airdrops for just learning about tokens. I will see you guys on the next one.